Another day, another job at Oriental Rug Care. We have this old rug here that customer wants resurged. So everyone's taken off this machine serge on this rug and hand serging it using this wonderful color here. Oriental Rug Care, we specialize in all kinds of repairs. We employ 2 master weavers on staff. We have a very, very large selection of silk, wool to accomplish any type of repair needs. If you need machine-made fringes, we have machine-made fringes, even though most of our customers always do machine by hand because we have the skill set. Call Oriental Rug Care today. We love hand washing rugs, restoring rugs. OrientalRugCare.com.